All right, so there, YouTube, hello. All right, okay, so I went ahead and resized the window. So, all right, we're wondering why this operation is not working. We see that it looks like it runs. It Let's just breakpoint there. All right, here we go. Path. Okay, so there's the path dot exists false. Okay, did we contribute to the right repo? Git remote dash v, my new Python project. No, we did not. We're on test A, so that's our problem. Okay, my new Python project proxy. God, of course. Thanks, fingers. My new Python proxy. That's funny. Okay. All right, here we are. Path. Path dot exists. Path dot read text. Or we'll just do continue. All right. Okay. So results name, my project name. Great. And then we should have another one. Result name, my project name. Okay. Then we should have one that just prints name. Okay, but it looks like it died before then. So nothing to commit on clean tree. Git add. Okay, so I think we have a problem with the git add in this case because the README is already there, which doesn't really make sense to me. But separate bug. Great. Mhm. Okay, so what did we do? Okay, so now this is what we actually did, right? We added the following to entry points txt, registering an overlay, and we'll just remove this for now, so we don't need that. Okay. Okay, this looks good. I think that accurately explains that. Reinstall the package, contributing to the second or third party ecosystem. All right, and then we run. Okay, let's try this out. And then we move the files. In this case, it's just my config. Okay. Please contribute. Oh, did I already CD into it? Oh, I did not already CD into it. Please. MV. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, so we need to update this. And we can just take that. And let's just say star my config, and I think that should grab that other one. Let's check it out. Yep, there they are. We got them both. Wonderful. Yeah, so we CD, and then, yeah, okay, and then we modify the entry points. Okay, oh, yeah, so then what do we do? Oh, yeah, so we grep my config from the parent entry points where it was, and we say through the SCD command, and then we output that. Grab my config. Okay. All right, so you see we just added these on here. Okay, wait, no, it didn't add it to everything. All right, but nevertheless, we want to overlay this entry point. All right, so now let's install our package. And let's also go reinstall the other package, which is just dot dot in our case. So that way, oh wait, and actually we need to take it out of here. Okay. So now what this enables us to do is you can just publish your overlay on GitHub. All you have to do is just put your code that is in this blank package into GitHub, and then you could submit a pull request to the README, which says to include your overlay plugin, right? Or you can write your overlays within the code. It's just going to be a lot easier for us to manage if we do them as plugins, right? And then people can mix and match. So, okay. And then what do? We run Alice, please contribute. And let's check and see if Alice ran our Did she go get our data that we wanted? She might not have gotten that far. Title. GraphQL. Yeah, it's not happy. Um, all right, let's see. So recommended community standards. Okay, so here's all the things that are being loaded. Okay. Overlay, Alice operations, Git. Overlay. Overlay operations, Git. Clone Git repo. Alice, please contribute. Guest repo string. Where did it go? Create made memo file. Okay, so what are we looking for? We're looking for. I don't know if it got picked up. read my config. Yeah, I don't see my config down here. So it didn't get picked up. So what happened? Oh, because, this is critical. So we didn't modify setup.config to uncomment out the usage of the entry points, which we added. Okay, 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 this is setup.cfg. And what do we want? We want to uncomment entry points, so we want entry points. All right, so we match the beginning of the line, and there we are. Okay. So, all right, great. So now we undid entry points. Okay, so now it's uncommented. And let's say grab entry points for my config, and we'll just replace anything on the left-hand side of that equals. Okay, and then this one will do dfml dot. Okay, so we'll say, okay, all right, let's try this. Okay, so we want to grab the section header, right? And then we want to grab all of the previous entry points which we registered. Um, oh yeah, and then they're gone right now, so okay. Okay, so I just blew them up. Okay, so let's go back, add them again. Okay, so my config equals my config. And what's that other ludicrously long file name? It is, okay. Okay, great. That's what we wanted. Only with a dot at the end. So that's great. Okay, okay. Add a section to the entry points.txt. with the, um, we'll just do code block on this. You know, yeah, we'll just do another code block just to keep it explicit. Okay. 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 Is that what we made the, okay, so let's just make that overlay. MV, my config. Okay, yeah, MV. Yeah, let's just call that overlay. That's really redundant. Obviously, how you do this is up to you, whatever way you want. So, okay, so, and this one needs to be named overlay. Or no, I won't do that because that always trips people up, that type of thing. Into the new directory, which I'll say is this .git slash. Okay, yeah, so this is an insanely long file name, is what this is. Okay, yeah. All right, okay, that looks right. Move the old files to the new directory there. Okay, great. We won't even CD into it. CD, I know, tends to confuse people. Um, okay, and then we'll install the new package. Okay, now rerun any commands which you might have run previously to validate your changes. Your new overlays are being applied. Okay, so this is basically the dumping and doing the diagrams with Mermaid, or this is rerunning the actual command. Oof, I'm getting tired here. Okay. All right. Let's run through it again, and then we'll console test it. What time are we looking at here? 4:02. Okay. Let me just, yeah, I'm just going to take a quick break and do some document because I think we went through the code now. So.